In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, He who is the Master of Death and also the Master of Life. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you will be safe and sound, and my whole prayers are with you for our life, especially my tahajjud prayers are with you for our life. I hope you will be happy, and please take some time in a day to watch my all videos, because these videos are very important for you if you want to see your English high level, because English has become the backbone of the world now, understand. All the languages are not approachable without English, because if you want to make progress in the field of education, if you want to make progress in the field of business, if you want to make progress in the field of jobs, if you want to make progress in every field of life, so your English should be good. So I want to give you best suggestions and advice as a teacher, because I have been teaching in Medina town, Faisalabad, Pakistan for the last 47 years ago. I want to tell you, I want to explain you, I want to describe you that I'm not a civilian teacher. I have done my duties in Pakistan Coast Guards, in Balochistan and Sindh. And after that, I have done my duty in Punjab Rangers. These are the civil armed forces of Pakistan. These are the paramilitary forces of Pakistan. So I want to give you a good suggestions. I want to see your English high level. Please pay your full attention on my lectures, and please learn tenses. If you want to go ahead in the field of English, your three things should be good. First of all, your English should be good. Secondly, if you want to learn English, your tenses should be good. You should pay your full attention on your tenses. You should learn tenses. That's our 12 tenses. After that, you should learn direct and direct. After that, you should learn passive voice. After that, you learn conditions and tenses. And if you have no confidence, you talk English like me and like British people. Suppose that if you have learned all the tenses, yet you have no confidence, you can't do something. Confidence is also a great thing to speak English. After that, you should have a vocabulary. Without vocabulary, you can't go ahead. Vocabulary is very main thing in life of a person. I hope you will learn tenses. After that, you should create confidence in your language, in your body, and after that, you should gain much progress about vocabulary of English, because when you will have vocabulary of English, then you can speak English. So please start with your family to speak in English, to speak your parents, to speak your father, your mother, your friends, your brother, your sisters, your neighbors, your friends, especially in your class. Those are your classmates in your schools, in your colleges, in your universities. So slowly, you will be a good speaker in English. And in the final, please pray for the people of the Palestine, Makhlouda, Kashmir, and Sudan, because they are our brothers and sisters. They need our prayers every time. They are in grief now. They are in sorrows now. We should not forget them. And please pray for them after your tahajjud prayers. And please pay your full attention on your prayers 5 times in a day. After that, you should recite Holy Quran in the morning and the evening, 2 times in a day. After that, please say your tasbih of Durood Pak upon our Holy Prophet, that name is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Please pray for the Islam Sultan of Pakistan. And I hope you will be happy like a twinkling rose, with the source of parents, with the source of your family, with the source of your friends, with the source of especially my tahajjud prayers. Thanks, Jazakallah.